Don't you have a cobalt set?
Of course.
It's about this one.
Did it work?
I think.
I think so. Yep. Okay, good job, sweetheart.
Thanks.
Now I need my drill and the bit that this fits in. Like the long extension or whatever.
This one?
Yeah, and I need the long piece if you can find it.
Would that be in here?
It could be, yeah, there's, I think in there.
This thing?
Yeah, I think that helps. Oh, wait, this is the wrong drill. I need that drill.
I did move it a little bit. Can you give me the other one back? Oh,
There's a battery in there.
that's what this is. I thought it was the cat bowl for the cat carrier. Did you get the grease?
No, I don't know what it is.
Gosh. Well, I don't know if that's
It's pretty empty. White and black.
It used to always be in this corner.
The red stuff.
Yeah, the purple.
Yeah, well,
It might be in the shed.
if we could have black or white, that would be great.
Oh, wait, you see it?
Like the grease one, the small grease.
Here's the purple one.
Okay.
The white one's available if you want it.
The white, yeah, give me the white. That's what it has in it. I don't want to mix greases.
You want me to put the purple back?
Yes, please. Yeah, I don't want to mix greases. I remember I cleaned this out because it had black in it.
It looks like solid.
That's what that is, basically.
Like stiff.
I use black screwdriver or something. Tiny, bloody knife.
Don't you have a tiny little screwdriver in here? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Got a paper towel.
Yeah, so.
That's a much better option than the WD-40.
Well, it doesn't kill the shrubs.
That, and it's significantly cheaper.
And they taste good. That's why they started.
Okay.
It takes a lot of corn. That way you get that
That sounds way better. Sounds way better.
we got to do everything right. Later like that, it starts off slow and it has to pick up.